Oh my God.
And finally, welcome back everyone. It's been a while. So here is some footage from last winter when we took the Gladiator out to Merckles Offroad down in southern Ohio for some snow wheeling. The temps were still about 10 to 15 degrees Fahrenheit when we were airing down, so it was rather cold still all day. It was a rough day because it was so cold. The ice never really melted and there was a whole lot of just no traction anywhere. Alright, Amy, there's a bit of that gets a little slick, but you get grip again right after it.
Alright, 10-4. Let me know when you guys make it to the bottom.
We are at the bottom.
Just nice and slow, nice and slow. About 3/4 of the way down, it will start to slip, but then right by that tree at the bottom, you get grip again. Well, at least for me it did. Amy, bump up. Turn passenger, 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 passenger. There you go. A little sketchy at first, but you got enough grip at the bottom. Keep the tires straight. Keep the tires straight. You're braking through ice. Keep it straight. Roll the window, window, window. Try not to hit it too fast. There are a bunch of larger chunks of ice that might stab into things, so just drop in nice and slow. Watch your tail on the side.
We don't even have like any grip on anything. We're just kind of.
Amy, how you doing?
I can't make it up this hill.
She was really trying.
We had to leave Amy's Jeep behind because she was just not getting any traction anywhere. She couldn't make it up quite a few of the hills we tried to do. We will definitely be back sometime when it's dry, because it looks like it could have been a lot of fun if there wasn't so much ice. So we will be back at some point.
meet us with them because I don't want to stop on this.
Okay.
Yeah, we're sliced. We can't even make it up here.
You got some room to back up if you need to. Turn your wheel just the other way. Passenger. All right, right there, put the locker on, both lockers. And turn that way. Turn driver back up. If she starts pulling, just help them just a little bit. They're almost tight. All right, there's tension. Ho, 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 ho!
Oh my God.
So after we got out of this little hole, we decided to just call it a day. We still had a 3-hour drive home.
Yeah, that thing looks cool from that thing.
Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. And I finally did get Fearless back into the shop this week to get the 4-wheel drive issue fixed. So I'm hoping they can get that solved and I can get back out on the trails soon. So keep an eye out for any ride information. I'll post on YouTube, on Facebook, on Instagram, whenever I'm gonna finally get out to do a ride. So until next time, guys, just keep on jeeping.